Hi, we're back with Lingmo Translate, and today we're going to look at setting your favourite languages. So pop into your language screen, choose your different language pairs. You'll see a button down here saying add to favourites. Click that and you will get a notification that this language pair has been added to your favourites. So simply pop back onto the main screen, go into favourites, and here you can see that the language pair has been set. So now when you come to choose the style of translation, voice to text, it will automatically be in your preferred language set. To go and select another language set, simply go back into languages, choose your language pair, and again go add to favourites. The notification will pop up, okay. Pop back onto the main screen and you will see your favourites in here. Select your favourite language combo, and again you'll notice that the language combo will now be set to whichever platform you want to use. Happy translating!